statement of changes in working capital as well as fund flow statement. Fund flow statement. This one, right? Where company is receiving amount or money, that amount where they are investing, right? This is sources of receiving of money. This is applications of money. That we are doing. Hey, don't write down anything, huh? See. So we have which one you are starting? Liability or assets? Whatever you tell, I'll start. Assets, huh? Assets. So building, see, adjust what I am reading. Depreciation written off on machinery 20,000 and on furniture. So we need two working notes. One is what? Machinery as well as furniture. Preliminary expenses written off 10,000 they are telling. If you want to write or directly you can write. So because by observing liability side, sorry, asset side we have preliminary expenses 10,000 that is written off, right?
Yes, sir.
Directly I can write, or if you want I will prepare that also. Then building purchase. So compulsory we need machinery, furniture, building.
Yes, sir.
These three we need. So first they are telling building account. So assets are open in debit side, right?
Yes, sir.
Assets are open in debit side. Liability are
Credit side.
credit side. Credit side.
Five.
So we have asset opening to balance brought down. Building how much of? 3,50,000 now. I am not writing any adjustment. I am starting from asset side only. So I am writing to balance brought down 3,50,000. We have closing also by balance carried down how much of?
5 lakh.
5 lakh. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So next, machinery. So we need machinery account also.
3 lakh.
To balance
3 lakh.
brought down how much of?
3 lakh.
3 lakh. So by balance carried down
4 lakh.
4 lakh.
4 lakh.
4 lakh. Next of furniture also is there, right? Furniture account. To balance brought down
1,55,000.
1,55,000. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Opening balance actually
1,85,000, sir.
1,85,000. This one now?
2,05,000.
Correct now?
Yes, sir.
No. So next what? Stock, right? Stock is what?
Current asset.
Where what was stock now? Current asset side. Stock, data, cash, bank, all prepaid expenditure, right? So these are assets. So we are writing schedule changes in working capital means what? Current assets minus
Current liability.
Current assets minus
Current
liability. So I am writing current assets total that has A. Stock we have, right, ma?
Yes,
What is stock? 2 lakh? 2,60,000 here or
4,50,000.
4 lakh?
50,000.
4 lakh 50, yeah?
Yes, sir.
2 lakh 60, 4 lakh 50. Increase, right?
Yes, sir.
So increase amount we are writing 50 how much now?
10.
1 lakh 90, yeah?
1,10,000.
1 lakh 90,000 is increase, right?
Yes, sir.
Difference amount increase, so I am writing decrease amount. Next to debtors.
2 lakhs.
Debtors how much now? 2 lakh 1,80,000. Decrease, right? Decrease by 20,000. Next to cash.
25,000.
5,000.
1,35,000.
1 lakh.
35,000.
Increase, huh?
Increase, sir.
How much now?
50.
50, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
You want that the preliminary expense one more is there. You want ledger account or should direct I should write? You want, direct also correct. Both are correct. So preliminary expenditures, right? Right now,
Yes, sir.
it is not compulsory. So I'm telling you about it. So this is liability, right? Sorry, assets.
Assets.
Assets. I'm writing to balance. Brought down how much?
10,000.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
There is no closing balance. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Your face is different. Not getting it. See, any doubt in assets? Answered everything, right?
Yes, sir.
So now liability side. Liability we have equity share capital.
P&L account.
Hiring 6 lakh. Last year 6 lakh. This year 7,50,000, right? What now? Outflow or inflow? See, for fund flow, cash flow, we need outflow or inflow. That is main thing. Receiving, paying, that I should know. See, last year equity share capital 6 lakh. This year we have 7,50,000. I am asking iron only. The company is receiving or paying? Receiving, right? So this is, see, whatever fund flows, sources of amount, right?
Yes, sir.
Sources of funds, correct, ma? Last year 6 lakh, this year
7,50,000.
That means company is issuing new equity shares to public, right?
Yes, sir.
Company issued new equity shares of rupees 1,50,000. Public paid that amount. Public paid
That amount.
by taking shares, right?
Yes.
I am writing issue of shares. How much, ma? 1 lakh. See, I said management account is always comparing differences. We need difference. Management account what, ma? Difference. So difference amount how much? 1,50,000. Issue of shares. Profit and loss account opening, right? So we are preparing adjusted profit loss account. This one, right? Profit loss account is the liability side. So liability I should start from credit side, right?
Yes, sir.
Asset to balance brought down. Liability by balance brought down. Keep it in mind. Asset to balance brought down. Whichever we are preparing ledger account, I am telling. When we are preparing ledger account, to balance brought down. If it is asset, liability by balance brought down. How much opening balance now? 50,000. So we have closing, right? To balance carried down. How much now? 75,000. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what? Long-term debts. Last year, company took 2 lakh. Now it is increased to rupees 4 lakh. What, ma? 16. I need inflow or outflow. Inflow, right? Again, we issued some debt debentures. We collected. Company collected. Again, extra amount, right? So, long-term loan. Long-term debts, huh?
2 lakhs.
How much?
2 lakh.
Bills payable is current liability, right?
Credit
Current liability. So current liability. Is credit or is there?
Yes, sir.
Credit or
4 lakh.
4 lakh,
50. 5 lakh 40.
5 lakh,
40.
40,000. So 4 lakh 50 increase, right?
Yes, sir.
Increase we are writing. I said opposite. I said the examples also. Why that is we are writing in opposite. So how much of 90,000? No? Increase amount we are writing in decrease column. Increase amount we are writing in
Decreased column.
opposite. Next to bills payable. Bills payable
85,000.
85,000.
95,000.
5,000. Next to this also increase, right?
Yes, sir.
Decrease column. Outstanding expenditures. Outstanding expenditure also 5,000.
10,000.
10,000. Increase, huh?
Yes, sir.
So increase, I am writing in decrease column. Any doubt?
That is
Asset we are writing increase, decrease. Asset we are writing increase, decrease. Liability opposite. Increase we are writing in decrease column. Opposite. Total opposite is. What next? We transferred everything, right? Totally we transferred. Now, so we have adjustments. Adjustments should be double entry, right?
Yes, sir.
Whatever I should pass, double entry. See, depreciation written off on machinery 20,000. See, here only, right? Whatever expenditure, non-recurring expenditure, that we are writing here only. Recurring advertisement, bad debts, commission allowed that are recurring revenue. So this is non-recurring expenditures. Sorry, non-revenue. That expenditure we are writing. How much on depreciation?
Yes, sir.
To depreciation, how much?
20,000.
On machinery, how much ma?
20,000.
20, yeah?
Yes, sir.
One entry, right?
Yes, sir.
One more entry, machinery. Machinery here, correct ma?
Yes, sir.
So machinery, 2 becomes
By.
by adjusted profit and loss account. How much?
20,000.
So double entry is over, huh?
Yes, sir.
Again,
Furniture
furniture,
20.
2
Depreciation on
depreciation on furniture, how much?
20,000.
20,000, not same, huh?
Yes, sir.
20.
20,000. Again, 2 becomes
By.
furniture account by adjusted profit and loss account 20,000. Correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
This also double entry over.
Preliminary expenses.
Return of rent.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is also non-recurring expenditure. Preliminary expenditures. Return of. Correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
How much?
10,000.
10,000. Preliminary expenditure. Return of goodwill. Return of whatever you write here only. Preliminary expenditures 2 becomes
By.
by adjusted profit and loss account 10,000. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Double entry is over. Next to building purchase during the year 1,50,000. So what are the tell me journal entry? Fast. For this building purchase during the year 1,50,000 journal entry. Always I am telling, don't give very answers. Think. Always you apply debit what comes in. Don't see ma, you will not get it. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What company is receiving? No, don't see. Building purchase during the year 1,50,000. What company is receiving? I need asset, right? What asset? What asset they are receiving? You purchase building, right? What you are receiving? Building. Asset, don't tell asset account. So we have asset, right? That name we have. Building data to
Cash.
no, don't tell cash, bank only. Because company. Always you tell bank only. Building account data to bank. You said. So building account data to bank, right? See, we are preparing building account. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Building account data to bank. So I should write to bank, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, ma? Building account data to
Bank.
we are writing building account. We are preparing ledger account of building. So don't write building words. Opposite you write. Correct, mama?
Yes,
You are
sir.
writing. So I am writing to bank. Correct, huh? In bracket I am writing what? Purchase. 1,50,000. One entry we pass, right? Sold we are writing here. Sale we are writing opposite. Purchase debit side. Sale credit side. Purchase debit side. Sale credit side. So I wrote to bank. One entry. One more entry. So I should pass 2 entries. The one entry. One entry is over. One more entry I need now. Where I should pass? By seeing you will not get anything. By thinking you will get it. One entry is over. One more entry. I should write in my head that. Where? You tell me. Building account. I wrote the building account. Susti. Helena.
Helena. Adjust.
Huh?
In adjust.
See, this is purely non-recurring. So non-recurring. Don't write. This is repeated. We are writing here repeated expenditure only. Non-operating expenditure we are writing. Non-operating, not operating. Non-operating expenditures. Non-operating income, non-operating
Expenses.
Then where I should write? Is it current assets?
No, sir.
This is current liability? No. So we can't write here, right? See, whatever received or paid, control statement. If I received amount or paid, I should write where?
Fund flow statement.
Sumalata, received amount or paid, 100% you write? Fund flow statement. Now you are receiving or paying? Correct, right? So I am writing where? Purchase of building. Correct, ma? How much? 1,50,000. Here only 1,50,000. Correct, right? Any doubt? Elena, is it correct, right? We passed every double entry. Everything is over. So now I am closing everything. So first I should close building account. This is working out. This side is more. So 5 lakh. Don't worry about this. If any balance we are transferring, see, if you are getting small differences, I will write here only. Here is more, here is less. That small difference amount I should write depreciation. Big amount I am writing as sale. Keep in mind, small amount difference what? Depreciation. Big amount sale. So value only here. This one more, ma?
Yes, sir.
4 lakh, 20,000, 4 lakh, 20,000, difference amount 1 lakh, 1 lakh, what I should write some of here? Depreciation always credit side. Not debit side.
Sale.
Debit side purely purchase. Don't worry about that. If you are getting difference amount in debit side, don't hesitate, directly write purchase. Credit side, there are two cases. Small amount,
Depreciation.
sales. Here what?
Purchase.
Don't write purchase. To bank, bracket you write purchase. So, paid or received? Paid, right? There, where I should write? Fund flow statement. Right side, application side. Purchase of machinery. Purchase of machinery. Purchase of machinery. 1 lakh. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Is it close, right? What's more? Again, something down. Pass. What don't? See this? Here you are getting difference amount. Here is more, here is less, right? That difference amount how much?
1,20,000.
So purchase, that is paid. You paid amount. So that is application. If you received sources, paid application. This is over, huh? This
Yes,
is
sir.
one, mama. Next to
Furniture.
here, more, right? 2 lakh, how much is that? 2 lakh 25,000. 2 lakh 25,000. Same I should write, right? Bank, bracket of purchase 40,000, na? Purchase of furniture, how much of? 40,000. Correct, Mr. Malata? This is, here on the tally, right?
Yes, sir.
See, 10,000. Don't ask for anything. Here on the tally. Correct, right, ma? There is no balancing figure. Balancing figure we are transferring. Correct, right? Any doubt? So that is over. So now, this side, current assets, A, total all cost. 5,45,000, huh?
Yes, sir.
5,45,000, this sir? 7 lakh? This is B. This one now?
5 lakh 40.
5 lakh? 40,000. This 6 lakh?
45,000.
45,000 now.
5 lakh.
This total, ma.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Correct.
So working capital what? A minus
B.
working capital
A minus B.
A minus B
5,000.
1,000.
1 lakh 20,000.
1 lakh 1 lakh 20, yeah.
Yes, sir.
From these two, this is more, right? 1 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 20,000. Difference amount of 1 lakh 15,000. Correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 5,000. This is 1 lakh 20,000. This is more. So I am writing 1 lakh 20. 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 20, difference amount 1 lakh
15,000.
So working capital structure. Next here, this side is more, here only more, right?
Buy or two, sir.
Two side is more, no? Only 50,000, that's right?
1,25,000.
1 lakh
25,000.
25,000. 1
1,25,000.
lakh 25,000.
75,000.
75,000 difference amount, ah?
Yes, sir.
So this is fund from operation. Fund from how much now?
75,000.
So we are receiving that much, we have amount we received. So that I am writing here, right? We are receiving this much amount available from adjusted profit and loss account. So fund from operation. How much now?
75,000.
What total amount?
4,25,000.
4 lakh
25,000.
25,000.
Yes, sir.
Here 4 lakh 25,000. Here only more, right? That you right.
1,15,000 balance.
That's what you said. 1 lakh 15,000.
Correct.
1 lakh 15,000. Correct, ah?
Yes, sir.
I should transfer here only. Increasing working capital. Increasing working capital. 1 lakh 15,000. Where of? That is came from schedule changes in
Change it,
working capital.
Tally
Tally only. This is the last tally answer.
is all that.
No, this only tally answer. If it is not tallied, your sum is wrong. Fund flow statement should be tally.
Yes, sir. Tally.
In all the cases, fund flow is the tally answer, I'm telling you. So here what? Here fund from operations. They are receiving amount from that additional profit loss account. What's another account? Why shocking?
So if for balancing figure is this side and right side.
Or you write opposite, minus. See, here only you write put minus.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry. See, that is increase, right?
Yes,
If it is decrease, I am telling. Decrease also you write here only put
Minus.
minus. Correct, huh? Any doubt?
So here
Why
is
ask?
this balancing figure. We got more
This side is more,
value.
this side is more.
I understood that if we get depreciation, we should transfer.
Here only, depreciation where you are writing. Non-operating expense, right? This are non-operating expenditure, you write
If we
depreciation.
get
all.
sale,
Sale we are, sale purchase we are writing. Inflow outflow, paid amount, received amount we are writing here only. Where are? Fund flow
statement.
Sources of fund means receiving, application means what? Paying. Correct, huh?
yes, sir.
Good.